What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be playing some Fortnite, and I'm going for 5 mammoth pistols this game. Ideally we get 5 mammoth pistols, but I'll settle for less as long as I can only get mammoth pistols. Alright, we're going to drop at Crime City because that's where the mammoth pistol is, and hopefully we can do decent. I think the play is going to be to land on the wolf every time because he has the double barrel mammoth pistol. I don't want to fight. I don't have a mammoth pistol yet. They're non-existent. This is rough, man.
Action is coming.
Well, I feel like that's gonna happen a lot. Mammoth pistol only is definitely something else. Gonna have to hit my shots. Where the fuck are the mammoth pistols, man? Where are they? They don't fucking exist.
Now that's a lot of damage!
Okay. There we go.
What are you aiming at? Now that's a lot of damage!
Ugh. Okay, well, we're gonna go Lone Wolf Lair, and then we're gonna go... Oh my god, wait a minute. I can just buy a mammoth pistol at the start of the fucking match. We're gonna land on the shop, go right down in there. There's not a mammoth pistol here. Fuck. Is there really not? You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. That guy's not real. That can't be a real fucking human. No way. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Mammoth pistol only. Oh, shit. Alright, I learned my lesson. I'm landing on the shop. Hopefully this one has a mammoth pistol. It should. I'm pretty sure this one does. You too, huh?
Yes,
Great.
sir.
That's fucking
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
Oh my god, no mammoth pistol. Wow! Okay,
Oh shit. Here we go again.
we're dropping here. We are going to get this shit done. Yo, where do you go down? Where do I get down? Mammoth, 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 mammoth. There's no mammoth. Okay, there's a suppressed. We're gonna do pistol only this game. For real. That's what I was worried about. Is that also AI?
Yes!
Suppressed pistol really is such a good gun.
Yes!
Criminally underrated,
Yes!
in my opinion. Where's the next shop? I need to buy a mammoth pistol. Is there a car here? Don't think that there was. Alright, let's go. Hopefully there's a mammoth pistol because I would like to have a shotgun type gun. This is the one. I can feel it. We're gonna win this game. but I should just open these. Of course, it's another kneecapper. Should I just take two?
No!
I could do kneecapper only.
No!
That'd be a fun video to make.
No! No!
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, let's go. That's huge. Let's go kill some boys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
What are you aiming at? What are you aiming at?
Fuck. Those are both bots. Actually, we should go for that double barrel. This video wouldn't be complete without it. We should go kill those people. Let me go back up and grab my car. My ass. Medallion. We gotta go get the medallion.
Yes!
More important than we gotta go get the gun. Woo! Damn. 2 more kills to pick up on the way, maybe? Oof. I'm smart with that. We're gonna go get these 2 quick. Oh shit, I need gas. That's a no bueno. I'll manage. I'll get to him. Alright, he's right over here. That's probably him. That's him, that's him, that's him.
I've got you
Oh.
in my sights.
Huh?
Alright.
Huh?
Fuck, I just... Aww. I just canceled that. Let me drink these, and then we gotta go. We are now healing up. Whew. Alright, onwards we go. Pistol only is getting close. We're top 10. I'm getting real nervous though. I don't want to choke this. I want to try to keep my distance and go for damage. If I can get this, then I can learn where the next storm will be. And that would be huge. Ooh, ouch. That hurt more than I thought it would. Give me the big pot. Let me drink it. Oh, great. As I'm going to jump, it cancels it. That's awesome. I hear you fighting. Oh, really that bad? No. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh man, that hurt. There's still a guy up on the islands, I think. Well, it looks like he's rotating. They're fighting. Last 2 guys are fighting, it seems like. Oh, he's gliding. He's landing up there. We can see where next zone is, so we're kind of set up nicely. Ah. I don't want to get sniped by this guy. I'm getting nervous. Looks like he's going down. Maybe. Did he? Yeah, just did. Did he? Did he mention?
Huh?
He must have went down too. He's not coming up. We're gonna sit in a little base. We're gonna make a little fort.
Yes!
Oh my god, he's one shot. No!
No!
He's literally one shot! Where's the other dude? Loki, I should rotate for next zone. Earlier than later. Where's my car? Both that way. I now have the closest rotate. Ooh, but I should get on that side. Fuck. Yeah, there we go. And as soon as that's in, get up there, get up there.
Go crazy! Ah! Go
Sounds
stupid!
bad.
Ah!
Ooh! Huge! Let's go! Mammoth pistol only, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Victory dance! Let's go! Fuck yeah! That took too much off of me, man. Jesus, that was an hour. It took me a whole hour to do that. Oh my god. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Unfortunately, I did have to switch from doing just the Mammoth pistol to just pistols only. The suppressed pistol was a huge help. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.